Okay guys, this is the video you've all been waiting for, I think. This is it. This is the final production ready SKS folding stock. We'll go over a couple of things. So this one needed a tiny bit of hand fitment. This is like the last prototype. The production ones are all tightened up. So it'll open up like this. That's all she wrote. That's how it rolls. So I'm going to answer some questions that we've answered probably in every video, but this will fit every SKS. It will fit the paratrooper, it will fit the spike bayonet, it will fit the blade bayonet, it will fit the Yugos, it will fit, yes. It will fit AK magazine versions, it will fit duckbill magazine versions, and it will fit fixed magazine versions. I will demonstrate that right now. Not going to go all the way in, but you can see that's about how it looks. Okay, so it fits every magazine. Let's talk some more about it. Oops, I'm in a pain. So, what is different? We have a QD sling swivel here. We have our Hush logo on the bottom. This is made with a slightly different manufacturing process than the Samson stuff. This is AK-47 grip compatible, or AK-74, whatever. We don't have all of that. We don't have every AK grip available, but if you have one and it doesn't fit properly, we'll get some stuff worked out. Don't worry. This is totally drop-in. There's no permanent modification to your gun. We will be manufacturing a version of this Holosun or red dot mount, as well as a Picatinny rail version. Get a lot of questions about the Picatinny stuff. The front Picatinny rail just bolts in. This is an older prototype. This is the carbon fiber reinforced nylon version. So this just bolts in. It'll bolt into the wood version or the nylon version. You will be able to buy this as a package. This is the rear Picatinny. You can switch between the two if you really want to. They are the same design. You can just take out one bolt and that's all she wrote. This is what the bottom looks like. So, wood, nylon, both come in Picatinny rail rear or a classic folder. This is the classic wood. This is Picatinny nylon. Other questions? Everybody wants to know, when is it going to ship? We are working literally as fast as we can, are pushing our supplier as fast as we can. We're looking at about 30 days. I think I'm within 3 or 4 days of the last time I made a video about this, so we're hoping for 30 days. If it goes over that, I'll let you guys know via email. We do ship to Canada. We have a Canadian distributor, so that is good to go. We have multiple Canadian distributors at this point. Does it fit high cal adapters? We are working with high cal right now to make sure that it does fit. If you order one right now and we find out that it doesn't fit, we will get you solved. We will get you figured out. We'll ship you what you have right now. If you want to wait, that's fine. But we will have this compatible with high cal magazine adapters. What else? Oh, we're going to try and get this made too that'll match the color and whatever. Right now, I'm doing the best I can. If you don't want to order it because you can't get the handguard, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Like, we're working as fast as we can. The space between here, I kind of like it. Some people are like, you're going to get your hand in there and it's hot. You know what? If you're shooting your SKS that much, don't put your hand there. I don't know what to tell you. M-Lock and things like that. We don't have that right now. This is what we are going to be shipping. This is the best we can do as fast as we're going. I know there's gun bans coming in Canada. We want to get it ahead of that. So we're working as fast as we can. Any other questions? Yeah, this is what it is. Got a couple sizzle reels coming. Folds up. Locks in place. Open it up. That's how it goes. 12.75 inches of length of pole. You're able to get really good sight picture on either irons or the red dot. It's a pretty good deal. So, again, we do ship to Canada. It fits every SKS, all the magazines, all the bayonets, wood, nylon, classic folder, Picatinny. Yeah, that's the jam. Let us know what you think in the comments. We really, really, really appreciate everybody being so patient with this. I know that the original pre-order said January. I swear to God, if I could make it happen in January, I would have. But this is just how long it takes to make something that looks this good. I really think you're going to be happy with it. It works a treat. It looks fantastic. We're really, really pleased with it. So thank you so much for your support. I'm sorry it's taken so long, but I think you're going to dig it. So thanks again.